Well, I had to make a little run to Costco for some ribs to put on the smoker, and haven't been riding much in the rain recently, so I thought it was a good chance for a test ride for all the changes I just did. Replaced the hex can, added some electronics like this GPS and quad lock with the wireless charger, added a steering damper actually as well, and because I took the or I think because I had to remove the power from the battery, it's kind of sent the computer into a bit of a tizzy. So I really hope it's not going to impact my trip, but I'll have to get it back, take off the battery cover, and whip out the GS911, see what sort of fault codes are coming out. I can't actually think why it wouldn't work, but I learned to ride in the UK, so it's kind of nice coming out in the rain. I don't get a chance enough to do it as often as I'd like. I like riding in the rain. You got to be smooth, especially riding quickly in the rain. I don't know why people find it miserable riding in the rain. I mean, as long as you got good gear, it's the same. It's absolutely fine. I'm just as comfortable under here as I will be if it wasn't raining. It's like it's not even raining. The only really thing you got to deal with is the visor. So I put some Rain-X for plastic on the visor. Beads up really well. I don't even need to wipe. And yeah, and obviously the traction being smooth with the input controls. That's about it. It's nice getting out here in the rain. Well, needed to go to Costco, get some ribs. I forgot to even look at the price. Ribs used to be like $8 for a rack. Now they're like 25 at the supermarket. Costco is better price, but I forgot to look at it. But yeah, I think it's still a lot easier and more fun, obviously, going into town, going to the shops on a bike rather than in a car. Easier to get out, easier to get in, definitely more fun. So yeah, got a few weird looks.
Hey, you ride a bike here?
Yeah.
Be safe, dude.
Giving me some comments like, you rode a bike here? Ride safe.